I'm gonna make a snack today. First, you cut a jalapeno's top off, and then you cut it horizontally like this. And then you just gonna do one side because it's kind of self-explanatory. You're gonna de-pit and de-seed this. Make sure you don't touch anything sensitive like your eyes or your nose or your mouth after you de-pit. Look, there's quite a lot. We'll keep de-pitting. Make sure it's all out because that will make it spicy. And yeah, we don't need that kind of spice. So it's empty-ish now. Now you want to grab some cream cheese. And I don't have anything else but this knife. So I'm going to make sure the seed is all off. And you open up the cream cheese. There's some seeds inside, so we'll avoid that. Take the cream cheese and you fill it up. Fill this bad boy up. Then you take some more. You don't want too much, but you don't want too little either. Okay. Lorrie, is this enough for you? Cream cheese? Okay, this for Lorrie. And now, we have to be careful because that's a knife on a floatie. I'm gonna take something that's hot like this. And we're going to put a good amount on there. That's 1,
2, that's 3, and that's 4.
This is a good amount. Actually, Lorrie, do you mind if I eat this? I want to eat it on camera.
No, go ahead.
Okay, so this is for me. I'm gonna try
I
it.
saw your post and I clicked add it to your story. I don't know what that does.
You added it to your story. Babe, wait, I'm filming a YouTube video. Okay, now you're gonna eat. Yummy. Crispy. Savory. Fresh. Perfect. Sorry. Luscious. So this is called the snack. Thank you. Let me know. Bye.